fifth grade, welcome to our first video of flipping for dividing big numbers. Okay, so we're dividing numbers. Now most of you should know how to divide numbers, and basically you're using 4 steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, and then compare. Does McDonald's sell Coke? Does McDonald's sell cheeseburger? Either one works. D stands for divide, which is our first step. So when you have a problem, 603 divided by 5, I have 3 digits inside my Pizza Hut, which is how many slices of pizza I'm trying to divide among 5 friends hanging out at my drive-thru window waiting for pizza to arrive. So 5, the first thing I want to do is divide. C, how many times does 5 go into 6? 5 goes into 6 one time. Write down the 1 on top. That's how many slices I'm serving. Now it's step 2. It's time to multiply. I call this zigzag multiplying. I'm going to take my 1 and my 5, zigzag multiply. So 1, 5, 1 times 5 is 5. Okay, following along. Next step, S. Does McDonald's sell? S stands for subtract. I'm going to take 6 minus 5, the number I just wrote down here, and subtract. 6 take away 5 is 1. Now that I have my 1, I'm going to carry down. I'm going to carry down the next slice of pizza that is available inside my Pizza Hut. Okay, so 0 gets brought down. 1 hot, 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 0 comes down. Now I have 10 slices inside my Pizza Hut. I need to start my steps over because I've completed my divide, my multiply, subtract, and compare. So now I have 10 ready to divide. 10 divided by 5, or think 5 goes into 10 how many times? 5 goes into 10 2 times. Write the 2 right above the numbers that you're working on. Now it's time to multiply. Zigzag multiply. 2 times 5 is 10. So write the 10 right underneath here. Now it's time to subtract. Go ahead and subtract. Now you have a 0. After you finish divide, multiply, subtract, it's time to carry down. Carry down the 3, the hot, hot, hot slice of pizza. Now I have O3. O3 is known as 3. We should know that. 3 slices in my Pizza Hut. Can I divide 3 slices among 5 people? No. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to come up here and write the number 0. Okay? Now think about it. If at this point you're like, huh? Why would I write the number 0? Obviously, the answer should just be 12. I don't need a 0. Well, think about it. If you had 603 slices divided by 5 people, does everyone really only get 12? No, that doesn't make sense. It makes more sense logically if you think about it. If everyone has their 603 slices divided by 5, it makes sense that the answer should be in the hundreds. Okay? So the answer would be 0, but I still have 3 sad slices hanging out in my Pizza Hut. I couldn't divide it by 5 friends, so I'm going to have a remainder. Maybe I'll eat the remainder and not give it to my friends. So I have 3 slices remaining. Okay? So that was our first practice problem. I want to try one more problem with you. And before I do, the secret word of this video is banana. Okay, so write that down on your exit card. All right, next problem, just making up a 3-digit number of pizzas. 127 divided by 5. It's not 5 divided by 127. I know it looks like that because we read left to right. However, it is the bigger number inside my Pizza Hut. I have 120 slices divided by 5, 127. Okay, let's start this process over. There are 4 steps. You have to repeat them as many times as you need. Okay, first divide. 1. We look at the first number first. Does 1, if I have 1 slice of pizza, can I give it to 5 people? No. So I'm going to put an X up here because obviously 1 does not divide by 5, so I couldn't do that. Now I'm going to look at these 2 numbers in my Pizza Hut. 12. Does 12 divide into 5? Or does 5 go into 12? Yes. how many times does 5 fit into 12? 2 times. So write the number 2. Now it's time to multiply, zigzag multiply. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 1 is nothing. Now that you subtracted, it's time to carry down. Carry down the 7, the hot, hot, hot slice. 27 slices in my Pizza Hut. 27 divided by 5 is what? 5 times what will give me close to 27? Not over, but close. 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Zigzag multiply, subtract is 2. If I have 2 slices of pizza in my Pizza Hut, can I divide by 5 friends? No. That means I have a remainder 2. Okay? Alright, for your exit card, if you did not understand any part of this division video, then I suggest you go back and review what I have gone over. Actually, let's just do one more problem to try this out. Okay. Okay, 3-digit number divided by 1-digit number. 326 divided by 4. First think, does 4 go into 3? Does 4 go into 3? No. If not, then you're not going to start the process with the 3. Now think, does 4 go into 32? Yes. 4 goes into 32 how many times? 4 goes into 32 8 times. 8 times 4. Now it's time to zigzag multiply. 8 times 4 is 32. It's working out quite nicely. Subtract. 32 minus 32 is 0. Carry down a hot, hot, hot slice. You have a 6. 06 we know is 6 slices. Does 4 go into 6? Yes. How many times? 1 time. Zigzag multiply again. 1 times 4 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Can 4 go into 2? No more. So it's a remainder 2. Okay? Go back and revisit this video. It was a quick video. If you didn't understand it, go back and do it again. Maybe have mom or dad help you, watch it with you, and help do some practice problems. Okay, for your exit card, I need you to write your name on it, the secret word of the day, and then you're going to solve these 2 problems. Remember, it's not 2 pizzas divided by 157 people. It's 157 divided by 2. That's number 1. And number 2. Okay. So 157 divided by 2. Remember, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? And 256 divided by 3. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburger? Go ahead and solve all of these steps on your exit card that you're going to bring in tomorrow for your entrance card. And remember to review the video if you didn't understand any part of it, and to find the secret code word embedded in the video. Okay? See you guys tomorrow.